Hello, Terri Conrad here with Bloom True, and I have another handmade stitched art journal that is available on our website at bloom-true.com. This is an original hand-painted watercolor mixed media, and it is about 6 inches by 4.5, 4 3/4, and it's filled with paper that I've created, that I've painted on. These are all originals, and each page has gesso on it, gesso, however you say that, on the back, so it's ready for you to create in, whether watercolor, acrylic, ink. We've got really colorful papers in here. Another original hand-painted book page, more pages for you to create on, more pages that are gessoed with lots of texture and yumminess, another original watercolor. And look at this sweet little ditzy floral. Isn't that adorable? This is the back side. And then, okay, this is not all, you guys. Look at this goodness here. I have all these bits and bobs for you. There's colorful paper. And this, I've created every single one of these pieces. Some are original. This is a little scrap of original paper. Some of these are illustrated and then brought in to Photoshop, and I've created patterns out of them. Here's more original, original. Just so much fun. And then, okay, if that's not enough, here is the little piece de la resistance, if you will. There are 2 translucent sheets of my art. This is a frame that you can cut out and write or use word strips or stamp your own message on. Flowers, floral wreath. Here are black line art florals that you can cut out and affix to your pages. Here is another sheet. You are so loved. Be you, bloom true. Look at this. How sweet is that? The little bird and the flowers. And then here's another that you can write on or put word strips on, and then affix it to your journal page. Look how cute these look in here. Look at that. I love that. Anyway, it is available, like I said, at bloom-true.com, and there's only one. So come on over and get it before someone else does. Thanks. It'll make a great Christmas present.